Hey guys, this is Priyanka Manikantan and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Kumbhabhishekam of temple, Shiva temple, that is Kalyana Sundareswarar and Sundareswari temple, which is located in Arvanjeri. So this is the final day of Kumbhabhishekam and the ritual started in the morning at around 6 o'clock, and we had been there and it was very crowded. So these are the village authorities climbing up the Gopura. So there are 3 Gopurams, and all the 3 ceremonies will happen at the same time simultaneously. They will be watering the Gopuras. So it's basically Kumbha Abhishekam. Kumbha means the Gopurams, and Abhishekam is watering them. So this is the main ceremony here. So village authorities are climbing up the Gopuras. It's a bliss to watch these kind of ceremonies, and we did enjoy this ritual. Shiva is the preceding deity here, and this is the main Gopuram here. So the rituals are here, you can watch them and take the blessings of Shiva and Parvati, that is Kalyana Sundareswarar and Sundareswari. The speciality of this temple is both of them see the same direction. There's a saying that people who are not getting married, if they visit this temple, the marriage will happen very soon, because the name itself says Kalyana Sundareswari temple. So it's a very powerful temple, very nearby to Kumbakonam, just like 21 kilometers from Kumbakonam. Guys, if you guys are there in and around Kumbakonam, please do visit this temple. Very beautiful.
ஐயா ஸ்ரீராம் ஐயா அவர்கள் இருந்தார்கள் இங்கே அவர்கள் நாட்டு அவர்களுக்கு செய்யப்படுகிறது. கலைமாமணி பட்டமாக இருக்கும் அண்ணன் கதிரவன் நம்முடைய உயிரினால் இங்கே அருள்காசன் தமிழர்களுக்கு இப்பொழுது மரியாதை செய்யப்படுகிறது. டிவி புகழ் திரு தமிழையாளர்களுக்கு இப்பொழுது மரியாதை செய்யப்படுகிறது. தியானா புகழ் தமிழையாளர்கள் மரியாதை சார்பாக நாடாளுமன்ற சார்பாக கிராமவாசி சார்பாக